Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel. I am Abhishek Patange and today I am here to review this Honda Jazz. This is the base variant और मैं इतना फीचर लोडेड बेस मॉडल कभी भी नहीं देखा. It gets with स्मार्ट की, ऑटोमेटिक क्लाइमेट कंट्रोल, रियर डिफॉगर्स और रियर कैमरा और भी बहुत सारे हैं. आपको वीडियो में पता चलेगा. एंड दिस बेस वेरिएंट कॉस्ट 7.55 lakhs and it goes all the way up to 9.79 lakhs for the top end variant. This is the ex-showroom price and it gets only with petrol engine option which produces 88.51 bhp of max power and 110 newton meters of max torque. It gets with 1.2 liter petrol engine and as per ARAI it claims the mileage of around 16.6 kilometers per liter, but in real life it gives somewhere around 14 to 15 kilometers per liter. And it offers 5 colors and this is the red metallic color which you are seeing, and these are the keys. It gets with Honda logo and these are the lock unlock buttons. It gets with flip key. This is the flip key. And let's see the headlights. These are the halogen headlights and these are the halogen indicators, and this is the Honda logo which is finished in chrome, and it gets with chrome surroundings. And these are not the fog lamps, these are the LED DRLs. And this is how it looks from front. It looks very compact. And this is the side look. These are the tubeless radial tires with the alloys. The tire section is 175/65 R15s. The top end also gets with 15 inches and it gets with disc brake. This is the side turn indicator. For the top end it gets over here. And door handles are finished in chrome, and this is the keyhole to open the door. And the ground clearance is 165 mm and the wheelbase is 2530 mm. Rear door handle is also finished in chrome, and in the rear tire it doesn't get with disc brake. And these are the tail lights of the car. It looks similar to the Volvo tail lights, and it starts from here and it's very long. It gets with halogen bulbs and IV Tech V badging over here, Honda logo. It gets with rear washer and defogger. This is the stop lamp and this is the regular antenna, and Jazz written over here. And below down here these are the parking sensors. This is housing for reflectors, and it even gets with rear camera. And this is how it looks from back. It looks very good. And this is the side look. This is the fuel cap. It gets with 40 liters of fuel capacity in it. And let's get inside. We have to manually open the doors, and these are the controls. It gets with ORVM controls over here, and these are the power windows. It gets with a single touch roll up function for the driver side door. And this is the door opener which is kind of finished in chrome, and here this is the soft touch material. And these are the controls for seat. It gets with manual controls. And this is the headlight leveler, and this is smartly finished cup holder. Let's get inside and let's turn on the car first. This is the keyhole which is not illuminated. And let's turn on the car. This is how the instrument cluster is. On the left we have a tachometer, and in between and in the middle we have speedometer, and on the right we have a digital instrument cluster. In that it's showing time, and below the time it's the odo and trip A, trip B, and current temperature, all those things. And let's come to this center console. It has this AC vent above it, and the AC vent is finished in chrome, kind of chrome. And this is the infotainment system, and these are the controls for AC. It gets with automatic AC control. and this is the infotainment system. It's showing time, and it's very on the right we have controls for cruise control, and on the left we have controls to control the infotainment system, and it gets with this piano finishing around, and the center console is towards the driver side, and this is the gear knob, and here we get USB charging socket, and this is for aux, and this is the normal 12 volt charging socket. Here we have some space to keep mobile, and twin cup holders, and this is the handbrake. It even gets with armrest, which is very impressive, and below down here there is not much space, but getting armrest in this car is very impressive. And these are the seats. Seats are very comfortable, and on the right we have AC vents, and this is the glove box, which is deep enough, and these are the volume controllers. It gets with auto dimming rear view mirror, and on the driver side we get mirror, and on the co-driver side also same, we get mirror, no light, and these are the lights. It gets with halogen light, and it even gets in the middle. This is also halogen, and here we have controls to lift the call and cut the call. We get this mesh like finish over here. It looks very premium, and on the left we have wiper controls, and on the right we have headlight controls. Let's get behind. Same power windows, and soft touch material over here, and let's get inside. Let's close the door. It has a good thud while closing the door, and this is a handle and a hook. Let's turn off this, and on the left we only have handle, there is no hook, and in the behind these headrests are fixed, but these are the adjustable headrests. The driver seat is adjusted according to my driving position, and you can see there is very much leg room, and under thigh support is also good enough, and headroom is also very good. This is how the cabin looks from behind, and let's open the trunk now. This is how it opens, and the boot space is very good, and the loading lip is also not very deep, and it gets with this partial tray. Let's close, and this is how it looks from back. The overall length of the car is 3989 mm, and width is 1694 mm, and height of the car is 1544 mm, and it gets with 4 speakers music system, and it gets with both driver and passenger side airbags. I forgot to show you, it even gets this tilt adjust for the steering wheel. So that's it for now. If you liked this video, subscribe and like this video. Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.